Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Conversation Practice channel.
Hi, everyone. It's great to see you again. Today we have an important topic, how to improve your listening skills in English.
Yes, that's one of the biggest challenges for English learners. Many people can read and write well, but when they listen, they can't catch the words.
Exactly. I used to have the same problem. When native speakers talked, it sounded like one long word.
I know what you mean. When I first started learning English, I thought people spoke too fast, but later I realized they just connected their words.
Right. It's not that they're fast. It's that they don't pronounce every word separately like in textbooks.
That's true. They say wanna instead of want to, or gonna instead of going to. It takes time to get used to those sounds.
Yes, and at first I tried to understand every single word. That was a big mistake.
Same here. When we listen, it's better to focus on the main idea instead of every small word.
Exactly. The goal isn't to catch 100% of what's said. It's to understand the meaning and feeling.
I completely agree. So, what did you do first to improve your listening?
I started with simple videos, children's stories, and slow English conversations. It made me feel confident.
That's a great idea. I started with English songs. I would listen, look at the lyrics, and try to sing along.
That's fun. Music is a great teacher because it helps you remember phrases naturally.
And rhythm helps too. Once you feel the rhythm of English, understanding becomes easier.
I also used YouTube channels for learners. There are so many good ones. Short clips, interviews, and real-life talks.
Yes, and the best part is you can pause and repeat anytime.
That's right. I used to listen to the same 5-minute audio 10 times.
That's the key, repetition. Each time you hear it, your brain catches new details.
I remember one time I watched a short news clip about weather. The first time I understood maybe 20%. The second time, 50%. By the fifth time, I understood almost everything.
That's amazing progress. It shows how practice really works.
Yes, and when you feel that improvement, it motivates you to keep going.
So, how long do you listen each day?
Usually 30 to 60 minutes a day, sometimes while walking or cooking.
That's smart. Listening while doing daily activities makes learning natural.
Exactly. You don't always need to sit at a desk to study. You can use your time anywhere.
I often tell learners to listen even if they don't understand. The sound patterns train your ears.
Yes, like how children learn their first language. They listen for months before speaking.
That's a great example. We adults forget that listening comes first, not last.
Do you use subtitles when you watch English movies?
At first, yes. I use English subtitles so I can read and hear at the same time.
Me too. It helps match the sounds with the words. Later, when you're ready, you can turn them off.
Exactly. It's like training wheels, useful in the beginning, but you remove them when you're ready.
I also watch with subtitles in my native language sometimes, just to check understanding. But mostly, I stick to English subtitles now.
That's the best way to build natural understanding.
You know what else helps? Listening to different accents.
Oh, yes, that's so important.
I used to understand only American English, but when I heard British or Australian speakers, I got confused.
Same. The first time I heard someone from the UK say schedule, I thought it was a different word.
Yes, but now I enjoy learning from all accents. British, American, Indian, African, Australian. Everyone speaks differently.
And the more accents you hear, the better you get at global English.
Have you ever tried the shadowing technique?
Yes, that's when you repeat after the speaker immediately, right?
Exactly. You listen and speak at the same time. It's great for improving both listening and pronunciation.
I tried it with TED Talks. At first, it was hard, but after a few days, my rhythm improved a lot.
It's a powerful method. You start to feel the language, not just understand it.
Another trick I use is listening to short audios before sleeping.
Oh, that's interesting. Does it help?
Yes, very much. When I sleep, I remember what I heard more easily. It's like my brain keeps learning.
That's smart. I sometimes play English podcasts quietly before bed, too. It relaxes me.
What kind of content do you like listening to?
I like travel stories, interviews, and motivational talks. They inspire me.
Same here. I love listening to real people tell their life experiences. It feels natural and emotional.
And it's not boring like textbooks. Real stories make you curious to understand.
Do you write down what you hear sometimes?
Yes, I do dictation practice. I listen, pause, and write what I hear.
That's great training. It improves both listening and spelling.
And it shows you what kind of words you miss often, maybe endings like ed or s.
True. I used to miss small words like the or to, but now I pay more attention.
Another thing that helps me was joining English conversation groups online.
That's a good idea. Listening to real people is different from listening to recordings.
Yes, it's unpredictable. People talk naturally, so you have to focus.
And you learn to understand different speaking speeds and accents.
Do you think watching English movies helps beginners?
Yes, but they should start with simple movies or shows first.
Like Friends or The Office, funny and easy to follow.
Exactly. You can learn real daily conversations.
I also like documentaries, slower, clearer, and full of knowledge.
How do you stay motivated to keep listening?
I track my progress. I note how many hours I listen each week.
That's smart. I reward myself when I understand a full movie without subtitles.
Oh, that's a great idea. I'll try that.
Motivation is important because learning takes time.
Yes, patience is everything. You don't see results overnight, but after months, you'll be amazed.
I agree. English listening is a journey, not a race.
Exactly. You need to enjoy it. Enjoy the process of discovery.
And don't be afraid of mistakes. It's okay to misunderstand sometimes.
Yes, even native speakers ask, "What did you say?" sometimes.
That's true. We just have to keep practicing.
I think the most powerful combination is listening plus speaking plus repeating.
Yes, they support each other.
If you listen a lot, your speaking becomes natural too.
So, if you were to give learners 3 top tips for listening, what would they be?
First, listen every day, even for 10 minutes. Second, choose topics you enjoy. And third, repeat what you hear.
Those are excellent. I'd add, use English subtitles, don't translate, and relax. Your brain will learn naturally.
That's the secret. Relax and enjoy.
You know, now that we've talked so much about listening, I realize it's really about connection, not just understanding words, but understanding people.
That's beautiful. Yes, when you listen, you connect with other people's ideas, emotions, and cultures.
Exactly. It makes learning English more meaningful.
And the more you listen, the more confident you feel speaking, too.
That's true. Listening builds confidence silently.
And confidence makes learning fun.
So, to everyone watching, keep listening. Music, podcasts, movies, anything you like.
Yes, don't give up, even if it feels hard at first. You're improving every time you listen.
Thank you all for joining us today.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English conversation practice.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone. Keep learning and keep listening every day.